Hello, my name is Cryptic. How corny was that? That was so corny, sorry. Um, Unboxing video today. I was on the Bandai Namco, yeah, website, Black Friday-ish. I was just looking, see if I could find a bargain, and I found two collector's edition games that really caught my eye. They were cheap. So we're going to unbox one of them in this video, do another video for the next one. So this first one is for Unknown 9 Awakening, which I've never heard of this game, but I believe it was around £90 and it was reduced to 21, I think. And then because they have like a loyalty club, I used some of my points to get 10% off or 15% off, something like that. So it worked out pretty cheap. And yeah, after Googling the game, turns out it was a massive flop, wasn't it? They had lots of things planned for it, comics, and then they just decided, nope, nobody likes it. And yeah, it was considered a big old flop. But we now have the collector's edition, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do with. Maybe stick it on that shelf for a while. So let's have a look at it. There we get nice big box. Well, I say big. It's quite weighty. Let's open it. Ugh. This is where you need nails, and I don't have nails. But we are in. What shall we look at first? Let's go with this. Oh, this is nice. So, I have a book, and it's like embossed. Little, I'm guessing that's the logo for the thing. Oh, okay. Why is that page weird? I think it's just stuck. No? Okay, so it's like it's I haven't played the game, so I don't know if these are like from the game. I mean, that's pretty cool. It's like weird circuit board layout. The Helios. What's that about? Like I said, I've got no idea. And then we've got lots of blank pages. But it's quite cool because it's kind of got that effect there, where it looks like it has crease marks in it. That's pretty cool. Oh, some other bits and bats. Just fun things. And it's got a thing so you can keep it together. And it even has a little bookmark so you know where you are. I cannot get back in. That's quite cool. I like that. There's one thing. What we got next? We have got steel case. Look at that. The back. And well, I'm guessing that's where you'd stick the disc if you had one. Can you see that? It's blinded by the lights. That's quite a cool picture, actually. Wonder if that's who you play as. It's kind of like, what's that word? Like chromium? It's really quite cool, actually. I don't know if it picks it up. Birthday banner. My daughter turned 18 yesterday. Whew, I'm old. Alright. Well, that's that. We've got two things left. This is A coin of some sort? Woo! Wait, test. Oh, did you hear that? That sounded good. Tails. Head. I don't know which one's head, which one's tails. What's it say? Believe in the unknown. And that's like a LYNS in Infinitus. Let's get some numbers on. So, there's that side. And there's that side. That's quite cool. It's quite cool that it comes in that, so you could, I was going to say you could display it, but it's just flat. You could just rest it on a shelf against a wall, I suppose. Or you could stick it in a frame. That might look quite cool in a frame. And then lastly, we have, I'm going to say, it's a necklace, pendant, but also, have a little look at it here. Also, look at this at the back. This is what you want. Now, you can display it like that. See, that's cool. Why didn't the other one have that? Okay. It's quite long. What is this? Like wax? Leathery wax? So it's one size fits all. You can't adjust it. And then it's quite heavy. A little closer. So I do not know what this is about. Maybe it's some kind of relic in the game. It's cool. You can see through it. Oh, can we try it on? What's rattling? Oh, that little bit. God, it's gonna hit my mic. Sorry about that. You can't really see it, but it's on. I'm gonna have fun trying to stick that back in there. But yeah, that's quite cool. Oh, you can move that bit up. Maybe that would be like your adjustment. So you'd stick your head in that bit. I don't want to do it all the way, it'll fall off. Maybe you're supposed to keep it down there. I'd say so. But yeah, look at that. If it was a little bit bigger, you could have probably used it as a ball opener. That's quite cool, and that's it. There you get your box. You get a cool coin. Pretty cool. You get pretty cool pendant. Steel case. And you get your book. Wait, where's the game? Oh. I think you download like your email or get emailed the code for Steam. I'm assuming if you got it on Xbox and PlayStation, if it's out on that, you'd get the game with it. Yeah, I think I've got an email. Maybe I'll try it out if it still works. I hope it's not like an online thing. You just pull the plug. Otherwise, it's a bit of a waste of money, isn't it? But I mean, let's say it was like 20 quid. I think that's alright for 20 quid. This seems pretty pointless, sir. I've got nothing to stick in it. Maybe stick a coin in it. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more reviews, let me know, because I want to try doing more of them, because I like looking at stuff, and then I get to buy stuff. I like buying stuff. But we'll unbox my next video. No, we'll do an unboxing in my next video of another game that I bought from Bandai Namco. But thanks for watching. As usual, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Bye bye.